All right, fallout from JSO's issues with false positives from cocaine residue test kits. A local man says he was arrested on cocaine charges that were later dropped, but that did not end his legal problems. JSO revealed Thursday that the drug test kits officers had been using generated false positive results. I'm John Bachman.
I'm Tanika Hughes. Action News Jack's Annette Gutierrez spoke with the man who said he was arrested based on that false positive test and how it dramatically changed his life.
Tanika, John, here is the state attorney's disposition letter saying those drug charges were dropped. Hafiz McDonald was in jail for 5 days, but he says that was enough to change his life.
I lost my job immediately. My security licenses were completely suspended. They haven't returned my firearms.
Hafiz McDonald was arrested nearly 2 months ago for armed possession of cocaine. A JSO arrest report says officers started investigating McDonald when they noticed he was parked on the wrong side of the road. That's when they found a bottle of B12 vitamins with a cloud of white powder coming out of it.
I'm handcuffed in the back of the car and I'm begging them, telling them, hey, it's just vitamins.
McDonald said he had firearms in his vehicle because he was working for the city as an armed guard. By hour 3 of his detainment, a field test indicated there was cocaine and fentanyl in the bottle. But yesterday, JSO said their Scott Company field test kits were producing false positives. Just after 5 days in jail, the state attorney's office dropped the charges.
Everything that I had to work hard for just to hear, whoops, our bad, now you go ahead and fix the rest of it. And it's just been discouraging.
McDonald has been arrested previously, including a 2014 misdemeanor drug charge for marijuana possession.
I've made my mistakes, but I've made the choice to correct those actions and make sure that my future goes in a better direction.
Action News Jack's law and safety expert Dale Carson says unfortunately the penalties don't go away. The only next thing McDonald can do is sue the company.
Well, there's very little recourse other than litigating the company that created the product that falsely identified what you have.
And in a new statement, the Scott Company says its products has always functioned as intended. Due to the chemical structures of a drug, the Scott Company says, quote, there is no test specifically for cocaine alone, only a few known tests that, incidentally, cocaine happens to present a known reaction in. Because of this shortcoming in the laws of chemistry, it is possible that a false positive result can occur. And this is not unique to the Scott Company reagent. Now, McDonald is looking for an attorney to help him with those next steps. For local coverage you can count on live in the newsroom, Annette Gutierrez, Action News Jack.